Well, very good morning, all of you. Once again, heartily welcome to this college. Well, all first semester students, elements of cost and market analysis. So, our main model is last model of this element of cost and market analysis. The model is business cycle. So that you have to be study under that business analysis, under that business cycle. Today we have to discuss about that types of business cycle. Yesterday we have discussed about that business cycle means that the fluctuation of economic activities up and downs it will be in the business. All economic activity it will be in the business, it will be up and downs, it will be possibility due to that it will be effect on the business. So for that business cycle we have to be necessary to study about that what is the situation of today's market. As for that we have to set our business. What are the types of business cycle we have to study? Last time we had to draw a graph also. The stages prosperity, then recovery boom and depression. So tough and again recovery like that. The graph also is that you can see I already said that. So today we have to discuss about that a types of business cycles. What are the types of business cycle? So first types of business cycle it will be nothing but as a major and minor. Major is nothing but as a cycle it will come changes it will comes in the business it will be a major, that is a major. So that is a major it will comes as a to the 40 months it will become changes. Suppose you take COVID-19. So the changes of business it will be since from the 1 year still we are not a complete that still we are not a struggling we are our business. So today we are a struggling business. Everybody they have to struggle. They are properly not set up. This types of is major types of business cycle. Since from 1 year it will be on the downside it will be. So it will be a that is a longer 40 months never change is that. So like that longer minor it will be it is a duration of a nothing but as a month, 2 month like that. This is the one type of major and minor business cycle. Then next one building cycle. Building cycle is nothing but as a regular duration. So regular duration it will be in the 15 to 20 years. It will comes up and down, up and down, up and down, regularly comes without any that. So continually disturbance it will comes in the business. Sometime it will goes up, sometime it will goes down. Like that, 15 to 20 years it will be duration is that. That is a building cycle types of business cycle. Then quadratic business cycle. Quadratic is nothing but as a Russian economist name. He is a economics in the 1700 to 1920. He has made a test on statistical data he has given. Russian economics, his name is quadratic. That is, he has given quadratic business cycle. So that is a long business cycle. It will be changing from the 50 years to 60 years. Like that, there is a never change up to a 50 years to 60 years. Like changes it will come. Russian economic statistical data 1780 to the 1920 up to that they are given a data like that how a business it will be fluctuation and all that. So you have to be remember how many types of business cycle is nothing but as a major and minor. Building cycle regularly duration it will becomes 15 to 20 years, and then quadratic cycle longer it is a 50 to 60 years. Russian economics that is they are given the name statistical data he has introduced. That is why these three types of business cycle are available in the market: major, minor, building cycle, quadratic business cycle. These are the three. Why? What are the causes? How these business cycle will become? What are the causes of business cycle? Why this type of up and downs it will come? What are the reasons? We have to remember that. The causes of business cycle. Why business cycle it will be fluctuation up and down? That is the first one, banking operation. Suppose banking operation it will fluctuate, your business also will fluctuate. Nowadays you have to see the all banks it will merge. One bank it will merge into the another bank. That it will affect very bad effect it will be on the business. So that is why there are different policy they are changing. Due to that it will impact on business. So that is why if you go today's business of banking, it is hopeless. So because everybody they are confusing about that. You have to stand on the line, on the hours you have to stand in the, and that is why, and people will be completely confused about that. So that is the banking operation due to it will be, that is the one type of causes for the fluctuation in the business cycles. Then second one, capital goods and consumer goods. Suppose a manufacturer will be, they are never investing properly, investment in the capital goods, manufacturing goods and all this thing, it will be a fluctuated. And consumer also time to time they have to never buy whatever he want. They postponing his purchasing and all this thing, that it will be impact on the market also, consumer goods and capital goods. Then purchasing powers. Suppose the government has not given the purchasing powers in the hands of the industries and all those things, then whole business it will be impact of the fluctuations and all this thing. Then profit mania. Profit mania is nothing but, I say, always producer what they are thinking about the profit. So this type of thinking is that it will affect on the market. So always it will be thinking whenever you want a profit. So sometimes it will be reasonable profit, or sometimes equally it will come. They will never think, only they are thinking about the profits and all this thing. This it will take you on the downside of the business and all this thing. Then human psychology. Due to the human psychology, suppose, so mostly next COVID-19 it will come. That is why we have to delay, or whatever people psychology it will come. So like that, due to the psychology, this it will be effect on the business. Still the people will be psychologically, they have pressure in their minds that mostly second COVID also it will be coming. That is why they are not buying anything. They are postponing and all this thing. This it will be impact on the business also. This is the best example of this nowadays. And then weather also nowadays, you see that this is a winter season nowadays, but it is raining. Since 2-3 days continue raining, it will impact on business or not? Whatever material they have to be buy, the people will be postponing. So means that winter again it will be come as a rainy season. So that is why due to the weather, so this it will be effect on the market and on agriculture and all this thing affected. So these are the nothing but, I say, causes it will come out for the disturbing to the business cycle, for the up and downs and the fluctuation of your business. What are those? Banking operation, capital goods, consumer goods, purchasing powers, profit mania, and human psychology, and in weather condition also. These are the factors it will be affected on the business cycle. What are the types? Major, minor, building cycle, quadratic cycle. These are the types, and these are the causes of business cycle. Then how we have to measure? How we have to solve this problem? That is nothing but, I say, measures to control business cycle. Suppose these type of fluctuation it will comes and how we have to control? How we have to be remedies? How we have to measure? How we have to be solve these problems? What are those factors? First one, reduce agriculture. So means that everybody they are depending on the agriculture. So we have to cut off from the agriculture dependency. They have to be shifted to the industry side. Then automatically the business will be developed, and whatever the up and downs and all this thing, the shortage of material and all this thing, it will be accurately. That is the one major to solve the business cycle fluctuation. Then second, demand and supply. As per the demand, you have to supply. Suppose supply will delay, demand it will be again it will be fluctuation. That is why whatever demand is going on in the market, as per you have to set the business and send your material in the market as per that. Then there is no disturbance comes, there is no fluctuations comes. That is why demand and supply always it will be equal for there is no fluctuation in the business cycle. That is the second method. Then check activities, that is the third one. So always time to time you have to check the activities, what is going on in the market. Today's market, either it will be good or not. You take the example of eggs, chickens, daily market this one. Their rate it will be daily changing up and down. That is why you have to know about that. So the consumer always they are thinking today is a 200 and tomorrow it will 160, 150 like that fluctuation these chicken and the eggs rate and all this. That is what daily activity you have to know about that, because we want to set our demand and supply equally in the market. That is why you have to keenly check up the market condition. As per that, you have to be supplying the market. That's also it is a one of the measures. Then nationalization of basic industries. You have to be nationalize the industries. You are neglecting the industries. You are not nationalizing industries and all this. So that is why this impact will be on the fluctuations. That is why if you are to nationalize, then all factories will go and run equally. That is why nationalized industry also is a compulsory. Then monetary policy. Monetary policy is nothing but as a supply of income, supply of money or circulation of money in the country. It will be always it will be constant. There is no high, no low. It will constantly you have to be supplied. Due to that, your fluctuation will be no disturbance. Then fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is nothing but I say you have to be whatever collecting a cash from the public in the face of a tax, indirect tax, direct tax. So in that you have to give some exemption, or when the profit comes, more income it will come, you have to take the tax. Whenever they have to be industry will be suffering, you have to reduce the tax. Like that, tax whatever you are taking in that you have to make a control on that. That is a fiscal policy. Then direct control, the government involved in that, where industry will be disturbing. So whom you are disturbing, black money and everything, they have to make a control on that. Then only the business will be on the constant running without any disturbance. Then you have to calculate a fixed investment for the production. How much investment we have to do for the industry? How much we have to make investment on the agriculture? How much we have to investment on the education? How much we have to investment on the public? Everything you have to make a fix and all this thing. So due to that, there is no disturbance if you come in the business. Then spending policy. How we have to spend money in the country? How we have to circulate the money? That you have to make a plan. You have to make a perfect strategy and all this thing. Then only there is no disturbance and all. So these are the remedies or measures or solve the problems in the business cycle. That is nothing but as a reduce agriculture, demand and supply, check activities, nationalization of basic industries, monetary policy, fiscal policy, direct control, fixed investment, spending policy. If you have to be these, you have to take care, then there is no disturbance it will come, there is no fluctuation in the business cycle. So these are all whatever we are discussed from that. This is all nothing but as a business cycle. Graph also I given you what are the types of business cycle and causes of business cycle and how we have to be solve this problem. So all we have to control it. So here we are completed about the business cycle. So tomorrow we will go for the profit theory. That is the last one. Okay. Thank you very much.